Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Colby Jack Pub Burger. First thing we need to do is make the A1 peppercorn mayo. So you want to start with about a cup or so of mayo in my handy dandy deli container here. And then you want to add, a couple tablespoons or so of A1 or steak sauce. Again, I'm just eyeballing this recipe. Then some salt and a whole bunch of freshly ground black pepper. Then you just want to mix everything together until everything is incorporated and mixed together. And then let chill out in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Alright, as you can see on my griddle, I have 3/4 pound beef patties, or 113 grams of ground beef that I pattied out. And all I'm doing now is heavily seasoning the side. I already seasoned the side that's on the griddle side down. And don't worry about over-seasoning, because, again, you're going to lose a whole bunch when you go to flip your burgers. And then for salt, I decided to go with Lowry's seasoning salt as well. All right, let's let the burgers cook up. Through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. And now I'm going to add 1 slice of Colby Jack cheese to them. Spray a little water around, get some steam going, and then cover it and let those cheese slices melt right up. All right, let's move on to assembly. All right, as you can see here, I've got a nicely toasted bun. I have some shredders on the bottom bun. Again, some people disagree with this, but it really does help the bottom bun not get soggy. Toasting also helps as well. So I got 1 patty here. Now I'm going to add some pickles, because what do we always say about burgers without pickles on them? Probably going to be garbage. Then we add the second patty. Again, making it a double is optional. You can always keep it a single. Then we added some of our A1 peppercorn mayo to the top bun. And then we want some crispy fried onions on top, and put the top bun on the burger, and that's it. A Colby Jack Pub Burger. Done.